What's up, everybody in YouTube land? This is Mickey with Mickey's RC, and today I'm going to share what I think are 4 mandatory out-of-the-box upgrades you should do to your Traxxas Maxx. Hopping right in at number 4, the antenna tuck. It's a free upgrade and super easy to do. Here's a shot of the antenna tuck on my Mini eRevo. You simply and carefully feed your antenna wire through some heat shrink to keep the length managed, tuck it into your receiver box, and you're done. Here's what it looks like all buttoned up on the Max. You still get great range with it tucked, but now your truck is a lot easier to work on, especially when it's upside down. At number 3, we've got Shugo. On every RC wheel, they put a couple holes to let air, moisture, and dirt get out, but it seems like they only help trap it. I'll put a rubber glove on and press a very small dab into each hole to seal the wheel up, and I've had great success with this. It's cheap, easy to do, and adds a lot of life to your tires. At number 2, we've got the Boomerang. This little part is awesome. We all know how difficult it is to take the stock body on and off the truck, how you have to jam it down to get it on. This part, once installed, allows the body to slide on and off like butter. It's crazy, and once you've experienced this convenience, it's really hard to go without. And the number 1 mandatory out-of-the-box upgrade for the Traxxas Maxx, the steering. Look how horrible this is. This single-handedly ruins what is arguably the best bashing RC truck on the market. Thankfully, there is a god tier upgrade option called the REEFS 500 raw servo and VITAVON servo adapter. Look at how much better this is. A faster and stronger servo makes this Max out of the box everything it should be, and then some. Now there's a ton of other great upgrades for this truck, but I wanted to go over what I thought were mandatory must-haves out of the box. Also, what do you think of the Monster Energy Edition Traxxas Maxx showcased in this video? I'm working on a giveaway as we speak, so comment below what your favorite Max upgrades are and become a supporter via the link in the description below. Your support allows me to have more time to shoot this type of content and to do more giveaways in the future. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya!